Hello and welcome to this video on displacement vectors, and here is just an example on how you can use vectors to find a displacement. So in this example we have an aircraft that flies due north 650 kilometers before turning east and flying a further 250 kilometers. What is its displacement? So let's draw the vector diagram. So it goes north for 650 kilometers before flying east for 250 kilometers. This means our displacement will be this line here. So it completes the vector triangle. Now, we want to know x. So for this we can use Pythagoras. So a squared is b squared plus c squared, where a squared is the hypotenuse squared. So for our example, x squared will be 250 squared plus 650 squared. So x is just the square root of that. And its value, when I type into my calculator, 696.4 kilometers. So we've got the value of x. Now we need to find the direction, because remember, displacement has a direction as well as a value. So for this, if we know this angle, we can figure out the angle northward to eastward between it, and that will give us the full displacement. So for this we can use trig, and SOHCAHTOA has never led me wrong. So this is the angle, this is opposite, so this is the opposite side. We know that this is the hypotenuse, and so then this is the adjacent. We've got the opposite and the adjacent, so I would use tan. Therefore, tan theta is the opposite over adjacent. So if we want theta on its own, theta is tan minus 1 opposite over adjacent. Therefore, theta is, when I type it into my calculator, and do make sure that it is in degrees if you are using a scientific calculator, because you will get a different answer. You don't want it in radians. So the degrees is 21.03 degrees, so I'm just going to round it to 21 degrees. Therefore, the full displacement of this aircraft in this example is 696.4 kilometers, 21 degrees from north going eastwards.